Okay, so here's a revisit to the air conditioners here at this gas station. So yeah, here's this pile which I got starting up last month. So I had to put screw on a blanket. 2 swept fan blades, which is really cool. Here's the fan motor. It's a little cooler today than it was, so I don't know if they're gonna be better. We'll put this down. Yep, I think the 17th week of 2017. 5 ton. Oh, startup. I guess there was 2 startups of this unit. And that's going sweaty. I was not expecting that. Yeah, here are these units. The 3 Rheem units. I'll start with this big one right here. Oh my gosh. There's another startup for that one. This one has 3 swept fan blades. I think it has an LG scroll compressor. I can't see. Yeah, it looks like an LG. Here's the fan motor. There's not been running. It is from April of 2021. It's a 5 ton. And here's this little Rheem Classic. A small unit. Rheem Classic 10. Rheem Classic 10. Can't see it. Oh, it's been running. I'll get a separate video of this one running. And I'll combine it into this video. Trying to find the compressor. Unfortunately, I don't have my tripod with me today. I forgot it at the house, but I'll come back later this summer and get it running. There's the scroll compressor in there, I believe. Here. It's from October of 2001. 2 ton. Lastly, here's this one, which I got starting up last month as well. Same with that Arcuair. It's looking great. Oh, it just started up without the fan. Shoot, what's going on? What the heck? Yeah. Well, I wasn't gonna make a separate video. This one's right, but yeah, here you go. It's blowing kind of cold. It's not working the best. But yeah. August of 2004. 5 ton. Yeah, there's 3 startups. It's ice cold. But it's blowing cold. Right here. And warm everywhere else. I don't get it. But yeah. I'm gonna take a couple pictures real quick. But then I'll be over and out. Alright. Start and shut down for this one. But yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.